All your bracelets? How many bracelets do you have? Abigail is not here. Abigail went to sleep. Night, night, Abigail. Night, night, little... Hey! What? Night, night, little... Hey! Night, night, little... Hey! Night, night, little... Oh! Go to sleep. Go to sleep now. Night, night, little... Hey! Can you tell me who went with you to Disneyland? You told Safta everybody went with you to Disneyland. Night, night. Abigail is sleeping. Shh. Night, night. Shh. Abigail is sleeping. Abigail is sleeping. Night, night. Hey, Abigail. You have a tiger. I think maybe it's my tiger. Night, night, little baby, go to sleep. Hey! Night, night. What is it? Can I have a few bracelets? Please? Can I have some? No, that's for me? You want pink? How many bracelets do you have? You have a lot of bracelets. You have a lot of bracelets? That's for Safta? Thank you. Wow. Look how many bracelets I have now. Wow, wow, wow. I have so many bracelets.
That's a fit.
That's mine.
It doesn't fit.
So what? It's mine.
Say, Safta, it's too small.
No, it's too big.
Too small. You saw an A? Abia, is it time to sing the Shema? No? No, not Shamash. Shema.
Abigail.
No, not Shamash.
What is it? Hanukkah now? Is it Hanukkah now?
Shamash is for Hanukkah. Shamash is in the Hanukkah.
She wants a present.
Present.
Hanukkah is done. It's over.
Say the Shema.
No, present only in Hanukkah. Hanukkah.
On the Hanukkah, you get more presents.
No, today is not Hanukkah. When is your birthday? Maybe you get presents on your birthday. Can you sing a happy birthday song?
No.
No? Maybe it's Safta's birthday.
Birthday.
Your birthday?
Yes.
And you don't know how to sing a happy birthday song?
Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday.
Dear Abigail.
Happy birthday,
And how about happy birthday to Abba?
No.
No happy birthday to Abba?
No.
Why not?
I have 2 pieces.
You have 2 pink bracelets
Listen,
and a necklace and a big ring. That's a very big ring, but so pretty.
Red.
Red.